In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly Round Robin. If you're coordinating meetings across a team, Round Robin scheduling helps distribute bookings evenly and automatically, so prospects or clients always find an available time without emailing back and forth. Let's set it up together from inside your Calendly account. Start by opening Calendly and heading to your event types. Look for the Create button. This is where you build a new scheduling experience. Choose to create a new event type, then select the Round Robin option. This tells Calendly that multiple team members can host this meeting, and it will route bookings across them. On this screen, click Invite Users to add the teammates who should receive these appointments. If your teammates aren't already part of your Calendly organization, Calendly will open the Invitations page. In the email field, add the work email addresses of everyone you want to include. You can paste multiple addresses at once, and it helps to double-check spellings before moving on so invitations don't bounce. If you see a prompt to type them directly into the field, go ahead and do that. Each address will appear as its own entry. You'll also see an option to assign these teammates to a group. This is optional, but groups can simplify management by aligning users to a department or team, which can help with visibility and permissions later. If you already organize your team that way, it's worth choosing the appropriate group now. When you're ready, click. Next, set roles. Roles control what each person can do in your Calendly organization. Pick the level of access that fits how they'll use Calendly. Some people may only need to host meetings, while others might help manage settings or reporting. You can adjust roles later if responsibilities change, so don't worry if you're unsure. With roles set, click Send Invitation. Calendly will email each person instructions to join your organization and connect their calendar. Until they accept, they won't receive round-robin bookings, so it's a good idea to let them know to watch for that message. To keep an eye on progress, open Admin Management. Here you can view pending invites, resend any that were missed, and confirm that everyone has joined successfully. Once teammates accept, they'll appear in your organization and can be included in round-robin scheduling. That's it. You've created a round-robin event type, invited your team, assigned roles, and learned where to manage everything going forward. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.